Hello, right, now we're looking at queries. So we've got to open Query 5.3 in Design View, so let's do that. It's the normal one, and then click on the icon to change the Design View. Now we can just move this up a bit so you can see what I'm doing. Right, display only ratings of 5. Now ratings is obviously the field name, so the criteria, that is the fields, the record, sorry, that will show is 5. So let's go back and have a look at Datasheet View. We can see that we've only got ratings of 5 there. Right, now group the query on the average of the estimate amount field. Now we haven't got the estimate amount field here, so what we're going to need to do is add it, and then just get the drop down menu and then estimate amount, and we've got, now it says group the query on the average. Now one of the buttons that's very important is this totals button, which is it's named badly because it's not just totals. If we click on this, we can see that it says group, which is fine, and then if we click on group by, we can see we've got a lot more than what we're doing in terms of just totals. So let's have a look. We must group the query on the average of the estimated amount field. So we go to estimate amount field, we click on the group by drop down menu, and then we say the average. Right, so we look at the average, and then that should give us our correct answer. So let's have a look. There we go. We can see that's too big, so if we actually have a look, and we can see that we've got a summary query now. We haven't got all the 35 records, we've only got 3 for each of the different traveller types. Alright, so we'll go back now. What's the last part of the question? Show the amounts in the estimate amount field display to 2 decimal places. Now I've already pressed, and I tend to keep on my property sheet so we can have a look at that, make sure we're correct in the estimate amount field. Now we're looking at the, it says decimal places here, so we go here, we change this to 2. Now the problem here is if we do that, we may think we've got the question correct, but we go back and have a look, and we can see quite clearly that it isn't 2 decimal places. So what we need to do now is we need to change this format, so it's not general number, which is what it is at the moment, but to fixed, and what that will do, it will actually fix the number to 2 decimal places, and hopefully you'll see that now if I click on Datasheet View, and there we've got our answers to 2 decimal places.